Hello. Hello. Yeah, Sneha.
Hi,
Yeah. Good morning.
good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
I'm sharing my screen. Let me know you're able to see my screen or not.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I can see it now. I think till now no one joined the session.
Before some people has joined actually. Today
Mhm.
I joined late. Yesterday I forgot today we are having a class. I thought today is a different. I didn't think that August 8th. Yeah.
Okay.
So our course is about Oracle Apps Technical.
Mhm.
Oracle Apps Technical R12 version. Our technical is Oracle Apps Technical. Okay, what is Oracle Apps means? Oracle Apps means ERP. Oracle Apps means a ERP package. Okay, what is Oracle Apps? Oracle Apps means ERP package. What is ERP means? Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay, what is ERP? ERP is a enterprise resource planning. It is helps in running the business. Okay, what is a package? In this package, we can see it helps in running the business. Okay, and what is the ERP package? ERP package in this we already know the what is the ERP. What is ERP? ERP means enterprise resource planning. The package means software which is readily available for usage. What is a package? The package which means software which is readily available for usage. For example, okay, for example, we are having a MS Office. Okay, we
Mhm.
are having a MS Office. What is in the MS Office? What we will have? We will have collection of okay, collection of Word, okay,
Yeah, Excel,
Excel,
PowerPoint.
yeah, PowerPoint,
Mhm.
like this. Okay, all these will be there. Okay,
Mhm.
so same like in Oracle Apps Technical, we will have in the Oracle Apps, we will have collection of modules. Okay, we will have collection of modules. Hi Prabhakar.
Yeah, hi.
Good morning.
Very good
Okay,
morning.
yeah. So in the Oracle apps, what we will have, same like in MS Office, in the Oracle apps, we will have collection of modules. More than 250 plus modules were there. Okay, more than 250 plus modules were there. So we understood what we have understood. What is the Oracle apps means? That is a ERP package. ERP package. So what is the ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. So what is there in the package? We will have collection of modules. So in the Oracle apps, we are having more than 250 plus modules. Okay, I'll discuss some modules. Okay, finance modules. First one, general ledger. Second, account payables, that is AP. Okay, account receivables, AR, fixed assets, FA, cash management, inventory, order management, purchase order, bill of materials. Bill of materials means manufacturing. Okay, work in progress, HRMS. It relates to the payroll. Okay, and last, CRN means customer care. Okay, these are all the different types of modules there in the finance modules. Okay, yeah, from these 13, we will be covering 3 to 4 finance modules, because which are means which are the modules to learn the technical, those modules I'm going to discuss. Okay, so I'll discuss general, I mean account payables, order management, general ledger. So like this I will discuss some modules to learn, which are helping in learn the technical things. Okay, so in the Oracle applications, the main thing is to about the components. Okay, what are the different types of components? So first we need to focus on components. What are the focus of components? Okay, rice components. These are very important. This is the in the interview point of view, they will ask this question: what are the different types of rice components? So we will be able to answer. In the first, in the rice, we will have RICE, 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 right? So first R is related to the reports. Okay, I means interface. I means interface, and C means conversion. Okay, C means conversion. What is the E means? E means extension, that is nothing but forms. Okay, extensions, that is nothing but forms. Okay, so what are the different types of ROS components means? We will be able to answer that. First R means reports, interface, conversions, and extensions, or nothing but forms. Okay, E means extensions, but what is that mean? That is forms. So we need to work on the form builder. Okay, so for the reports we will have a report builder RDF, and we will be able to do it in two ways. Okay, report builder either in XML publisher or BA publisher. Okay, using these two, we can develop the reports. What is interface means? In the interface, we are having outbound interface and inbound interface. Outbound interface means extracting the data from the Oracle application to the flat files. What is inbound interface means? They will provide the flat files that we are going to load it into the base tables. So that is the interface. And what is a conversion means? They will provide the data from the legacy system, and that data will load it into the Oracle applications. That is a conversion. Okay, form means when we open the Oracle applications, we can see the forms. Okay, those forms will be developed. We can also develop the forms using the form builder. Okay, we will have a form builder. So here in the report we will have a report builder. In the interface, what we will have, two types of interfaces are there: outbound interface and inbound interface. And conversion means also a same like interface, but from the legacy system. It is only a one time process. Okay, it is only a one time process. We will load the data from the data from the legacy system to the Oracle application. So this is a conversion. Extension means form building. Okay, so these are all the different types of RISE components. So what are
Interface,
the
we can consider interface like integration, kind of integrations we will perform.
yeah, we will do the integrations. Anyone joined? Okay. Next, what are the different types of reporting tools? Already said, right? We will have workflows and BI publisher. Okay. So in this reporting tools, we will have a workflows. In this, we will um, workflows will be used to send the notification to the managers, so that if we send the notification to the managers, they will approve. Okay, this workflows will be used to send the notifications for the approval. Okay, what is a BA publisher means? When we create a report, okay, when we create a report, so for that report there should be a file. Which file? PDF file or Excel file, in which format you want to see the data. So the format which we will develop using the BA publisher, the format which will be developed using the BA publisher, using the BA publisher, we can develop the template. Okay, we can develop the template, or using the template we will upload to this reports, and in this reports we can see the data in the whatever the format we want. If we want to see the data in Excel, then we will give that the output as Excel. But we will first we will create a template, that means .rtf file. Okay, .rtf file. Using the RTF file we will develop the template. In the workflows, what is the use of the workflows means? Workflow is used to for the notification approval. Okay, we will send the notification for the approval. So like this, workflows will be used. Okay, understood? Okay. So here all the modules we have discussed it, right? So these are all the modules are pre-integrated. Okay, for suppose if you change in the purchase order, then it will automatically reflected in the finance module. Okay, all the modules are stored in one database. So there will be no data inconsistency and no data duplication. Okay, so we can successfully run to maintain an organization. No, whatever we are working in the one module, then automatically it will be reflected in the all the modules. Okay, if you create the invoice at the end, then it will be go to the general ledger. Okay, at the end it will go to the general ledger. If you create the account receivables, like this, if you work in any modules, it will be reflected in other finance modules also. Okay, first, if you want to learn the Oracle Apps Technical, we have a prerequisite. Okay, what does the prerequisite means? If you want to learn Oracle application, the prerequisite is SQL and PLSQL. At least we should have a basic knowledge on the SQL and PL/SQL so that you can understood what I am saying. Okay, because I'll write the queries, then only I will work. So when I'm writing the query, you people should be able to understand that SQL and PL/SQLs. Okay, PL/SQL. So that's why the prerequisite for this Oracle Apps technical is SQL and PL/SQL. Okay, now I will log in Oracle Apps and I'll show you how the front end will be. Okay, I'm logging with my username and password. Okay, operations and welcome. So what is the default username and for password for this Oracle applications? The password for the default username password is operations and welcome. Okay, default username and password is operations and welcome. Here I'll write. Okay, username is, this is a default username. Okay, operations and password is,
It is a trial version practice, right?
yeah. Generally uh, in the companies we will we don't do the work in the using the operations and welcome. They will create the users, using that users we will be going to work. But if you want to, I mean, generally the default username password will be there, right? So we can work with this operations and welcome here, but generally in the offices they will we will not work with
Yes, the
operations
company
and
will
welcome.
provide the
Provide
credentials
the
for the applications
yep,
related.
yes. Okay.
Yes.
And also Oracle application is also called as e-business suite also. Okay, so so I have login with default username and password. Just a minute.
So this
So
app can be installed in our system, or you will be giving any access to
they will
this?
provide the URL. Okay, they will
Okay.
provide the URL. I mean instances, I can say. So they will provide
Okay.
the instances login. Then they will only create the users and they will provide the username and password for us. Okay. So in the when we log into the Oracle applications, we can see all these, right? So these are all responsibilities. These are all the list of responsibilities. Okay, under these responsibilities, we will have menu. Okay, every responsibility will have a menu, and under this menu, we are having a functions. See, these are all functions. These are all functions, and this is a page actually. This is a page. So in the when we log into the Oracle applications, we can see the list of responsibilities. Under the each responsibility, we will have a menu, and in the menu we will have functions. Functions are nothing but forms. Okay, functions are nothing but forms. When we click on forms, the page will get open. Okay, the form will get opened. Okay, this is the form. Okay, this is the form. So in the Oracle applications, we are having the list of responsibilities. Under the list of best responsibilities, we will have a menu. Okay, collections, legacy systems, JD Adverse, supply chain planning, cloud. So these are all there, right? These are all together called as a menu. These are all not menus. Those are not list of menus. This is a whole thing is called a menu. Okay, under the menu, we are having functions. Okay, functions are nothing but forms. So when we click on forms, the form will get open. And also when we are having a pages also. So this one is, we can, when we click on this one, see, this is a page. Okay, this is OF page. So so when we click on page, the page will get open here. But when we click on form here, the form will get open. This is the look and feel of the forms, and page will be like this. Sorry. So page will be like this. Okay. So when we clicked on forms, is the form will get open. Now how to know the version? Okay, how to know the version? In the front end, what we are having? We are having responsibilities, We are having list of responsibilities. Under these responsibilities, we will have menus and functions. We are having menus and functions. Under the menus, we will have functions. Now, how to know the version? How to know the version? In order to know the version, what we need to do means we need to go to help. Okay. Now again, next about Oracle applications. Okay. How? Help and about Oracle applications. So when we click on this one, we can see the version here. See, or which version we are using? We are using 12.2.10. This is the version we are using. Okay, 12.2.10. So how to know the version? We need to go to help. Okay, we need to go to help and about Oracle application. So when we see this, so here we are having a Oracle applications. This is the version. So we are using the latest version, that is 12.2.10. So this is the latest version we are using. Okay, like this we can see the version. Okay, next. So front end application we have seen, and we will check the backend application. So here is the application. So in order to connect with the database, okay, this is the SQL developer. In this, how to connect with the database means, here we are having a connection details. We are having a username and password. Okay, they will provide the host name, okay, username and password, and these are all the host details they will provide. So using the host details, we will be able to connect, and first test the connect, then click on save and connect. Okay, so when we connect, then we can log in with username and password. Okay, what is a username and password means? Apps and apps. Okay, so when we have already connected, then what we can do means, when we can click on this, I mean, when we are creating this database, here the when we give the password, if you save the password, then automatically these will get open. If not, then every time it will ask for the password. So better to save the password. So when we save the password, we can directly open this page. Okay, what username will be apps and apps.
It is URL based or in a application name? They will give that URL as.
That is a host name. The
No,
instances they
no,
will
no.
provide, right?
Whenever we log into the SQL server, no, just you have logged in SQL server, no, it is in any URL or any kind of
No,
direct connection with the application.
no, it is not URL, direct connection with the application only. Like we will log in with, I mean, they will provide the instance details, right?
Okay.
So for that instance, they will provide the host details. Using the host details, we can connect to using the, or you can connect to using the SQL developer to the directly to the Oracle application.
It will connect it with the database, right? Directly.
Yes, yes. Okay. So to connect to the database, these details will be provided. Okay. Username will be, and password is apps. Okay. So first we will discuss about the file structure. How much time we are having? 7:42. Okay, file structure in the Oracle applications. I'm opening Paint. So in the Oracle applications, what is a file structure means? See, we will have finance, sales, customer care, purchase, HR. Okay, I'll write here. Finance, sales, customer care, purchase order, and HR. Okay, these are all different modules are there. We can say different departments are there. So every department cannot run independently. Okay, every department cannot run independently. For suppose in the purchase order, if you are purchasing the raw materials, okay, we are purchasing the raw materials from the supplier. Okay, for suppose Samsung need the battery from the supplier. So finance department need to make the payment, right? So for what purchase order will do? Purchase order will purchase the materials from the supplier. So purchase order, it will purchase the materials from the supplier. So at last, what purchase order will it cannot, it only purchase the materials, it cannot make the payment. So in order to make the payment, it should be a contact with the finance. Okay, there should be a contact with the finance. So finance department will make the payment. Okay, finance department will make the payment. Next, so there should be a strong communication between purchase and finance department. So purchase order will buy the materials, and then for that materials, whatever the amount is there, that the payment will be paid by the finance departments. Okay, so when we are selling something, okay, when we are selling something, in order to sell something, there should be a strong communication between sales and customer care. Okay, so we need to pass the information to the customer care. Whatever the sales we are doing, what that we should do, we should inform to the customer care. So there should be a strong communication between the sales and customer care. Okay, and see, like this, every department is not independent. See, when we are buying raw materials, so in order to make the payment, we should have a communication with the finance department. Okay, and this HR department will maintain the communication between all the departments. Okay, we will maintain the communication between all the departments. So if you make the pay when if you want to make the payment to the make the payment from the finance department will check with the HR department. Okay, if they approve, then the finance department will continue to make the payment for the raw materials which we are by using the purchase order. Understood, right? So at last,
Yeah.
every department is dependent on each other. Okay, like this, every department is dependent on each other. Understood, right? File structure.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is about the file structure. Uh, Just a minute. I'll unshare my screen. I'll try to open again. I'm sharing my screen again. Okay. So these are all the topics we are going to cover. Okay, introduction, type, what are the different types of roles, and what is the file structure, database structure. Okay, three-tier architecture. Okay, what is a level of Oracle applications, how to create a user, what are all the different who columns, what is how to create a responsibility menu. So these are all the topics we are going to cover in this sessions. Okay, we are going to cover in this. So how to create a DFF and KFF means key flex field and descriptive flex field. Okay, how to work with a BA publisher or XML publisher, and workflows. What is the use of workflows? To send the notification to the approval. Okay, to send a notification for the approval. Okay, we how to build the forms. In the forms we will have form personalizations also, how to work with the forms and how to create a form, how to work with the form personalizations. And those are all the things we can work, we will work in the forms. Conversion means how to load the data from the Lexi system to the Oracle applications. And interface means we will have different, what are the different types of interfaces and how to work with the outbound interface and inbound interface. So that one. And the reports we will have, in the reports, how to create a report using the report builder. And what are the different types of parameters. Okay, what are the different types of parameters, and how to work with the what how to create a parameter. So those are all the things we will work in the reports. So these are all the things we are going to learn in the Oracle Apps Technical. Okay, so this is a 4 weeks
Sorry, Sriveni,
duration.
I can't
Eh,
see your screen. It's not visible to me.
is it?
Yeah. Can you please
I,
again?
I have shared it actually. Now able to see my screen?
No, it is a blank screen, which is the first page of
Yeah.
the
Yeah, it's just showing this Logic Labs, just sharing the screen. That's it.
Oh, entire screen only I have shared. Now,
No.
what happened?
Okay, let it be.
Yeah,
It is a demo
I'll
session.
try to. Yeah,
You have
I'll,
shared. You are explaining about the which you have to, what is the application, how what is the
yeah. What are the
components
different?
and
What
diff
are the?
components and what are the rise components you have explained. Okay, everything is good.
Yeah.
So currently, where are you working?
I should not disclose that.
Acha,
Yeah, I'm having total 10 years of experience.
in
From
a
the associate to the manager, I have worked. Okay.
in the total 10 years of experience, you have this Arclabs technical only.
Yeah, I have worked on Oracle Apps Technical, and I am working with the. I mean, I'm trying to work with the Fusion also. Okay.
So my concern is actually I had overall 7 years of experience in that I'm working for the mainframes background totally.
Which background?
Mainframes.
Okay.
So I want to rescale my technology. I want to build up this race founder. So that's why I've joined.
Mm-hmm.
So what kind of opportunities you can get in as a labs technical resource, and what kind of coding we will use to perform the application? If
Okay.
while working on the application, what kind of coding we should use?
Okay. The coding will be, as I said, prerequisite. I said right. So SQL and PLSQL, we should have a knowledge.
SQL we can write the select command with joins and update everything. I had experience on SQL.
Okay.
Any kind
When
of
it comes to PLSQL, we will have a procedures and functions. All this will be there. So we are going to create a package. Under that package, we are going to write the procedures. Okay, we will do the, what if you want to do the calculations, we can do the calculations. Okay, so whatever the logic is there, we can perform in the procedures, and we can create the concurrent program, and we can execute that. Okay, in the PLSQL we will have a different type of we will use a SQL, but it is like a procedure. We will have, where we are having procedures and functions in there. Okay.
Okay, no need to learn like Java, XML, those kind of.
No, Java means if you want to work, if you, I mean, if you have interested to work on the OAF pages, these OAF pages also have I showed you, right? So the OAF pages will be displayed. Okay, the OAF pages will be displayed in the page. I don't know, you guys are not able to see my screen, right?
Mm.
First I have clicked on one thing, then the forms got opened, right? Then when I clicked on
It's in the
another
forms and
link,
functions,
the,
list of forms and functions which is have that screen. Okay.
yeah, that is a different one. That is
Mm.
a main page. In that we are having menus and forms, right? So in the menu we are having functions, that means forms. So when I clicked on that, the form got opened.
Mm.
And one more also have opened, right? That is a page, that is nothing but a OAF page. So in order to
Okay,
work with the OAF
I
page,
got it your point. But we don't want to go for that development and do Java kind of first from scratch up. We need to learn those things. Now I don't want to. Actually, I'm fed up with the total coding. You have the huge coding in mainframes as well. So that's why I'm planning to quit this technology. I'm planning to risk it. That's why I joined this demo as well.
okay, so we should
So
have a SQL and PLSQL knowledge, that's it.
okay.
Yeah.
PLSQL, we don't know. Actually, I knew the SQL. We will perform some SQL commands, queries, like we will write the queries, select queries, joins and inner joins, and we write the update, delete queries for this using
Yeah,
like condition.
so no need to worry about the PLSQL. Like when we have a knowledge on the SQL, right? Just we need the, the way is different. That's it. So in the procedure also we will write SQL queries only, but and the loops will be there, right?
Mm.
Yeah, those loops and all will be there in the PLSQL. That's it. If you have knowledge on the SQL, that is fine to work with the PLSQL, but we should have learned something. Okay, advanced is different, but basic PLSQL is fine. We can work with the SQL also. If you have knowledge in the SQL, definitely you can learn the PLSQL also.
So you
Okay.
will you teach those what are the mandatory things to learn work on this?
I mean, whatever the coding I am writing, just the coding for the understanding purpose, I will explain. But we are here in this logical app, so we are also teaching this SQL and PLSQL also. If you want, you can learn that also, so that it will be helpful.
So first we
For
learn
this,
that.
first we need to have know something about SQL and PLSQL. For that, you have to join for that course also.
Yeah. So, but whatever I'm explaining, you can understand the. I mean, if I'm working with reports, okay, whatever the logic writing, you can just normally I can explain, but you will have, if you want to understand fully, you should have a knowledge on the SQL and PLSQL also. Yeah. So able to see my screen now at least now?
No, no, no.
No, no.
No.
I think might be a problem with the internet.
Yeah, maybe.
And also, I want to ask some questions about the class.
Okay.
Uh, like like me and that the person like Prabhakar will be two people for this whole sessions, like 4 week sessions, or there will be another students, like people coming to join this.
Maybe other people also might join. I'm also not sure. Today
Because
actually,
as
yeah.
as I'm a newbie to this course, I don't know anything about this course. So I'm just like
Mm-hmm.
starting from zero. So I
Mm-hmm.
don't know, like I can't raise the doubts uh, because I don't know anything about this. So if the other students who is attending the classes, if they ask the doubts and everything, I might be able to learn this course. So just want to
Okay,
ask
it
like,
is fine. You can ask the questions if your other people also are there also means no problem. You can ask the questions. Okay.
okay, like you don't know how many people will be joining for this course. Hello, hello, Sriveni, can you hear me?
I think she is facing some network issues, might be.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So, hi Sneha, you also
yeah. Hi, hi.
from IT background or
No, no, no. I'm like a fresher. Like I don't have any
which-
experience in this Oracle thing. So
not only
just want.
Oracle, any kind of
No, no, no.
experience?
I don't. No, I don't have anything
Okay.
experience.
Hello?
Yeah, hi.
I can hear you. Yeah. What happened?
Like you like there will be like some people joining this course. You will be registering those people, right? So
Yeah.
you know about that other people who will be attending the class for this like 7 to 8 a.m. morning this sessions,
Mm-hmm.
or just randomly they will be joining the sessions.
7 to 8 only.
How many people will be there like for this
Uh,
4 week session?
No, no. How many
uh,
people has registered for this course? How many? I and we two only, or any other people will join? Any extension if join or lately? That's I think
mhm.
she is asking.
Okay, okay. Generally, the call will start at 7 only, Sneha, and it will
Okay,
end at 8. And the people who are registered, those are all the details, will not be with me. Okay,
okay,
the team will have those details. Generally, other people also will be there, but no issue in that. You can whatever if you have any questions, you can mail also. Okay, you can mail to the support mail also. So in that, if you have sent any mail, then support@logiclabstech.com. So to this mail you can send the mail. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in that, and I will clear those doubts in the next session. Okay, or else I will send the
okay. But
mail.
I got a call from this number. I don't know whose number is this.
Mm-hmm.
It's ending with 055. So she called me. I didn't pick up her call. She just texted me that you have registered for the class. You have to join like that. I don't know
Okay.
her. Yeah. Can I like
Yes,
text her or
from the
can I call
support
her?
team, I also got the call from yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, we are having a WhatsApp group. Join that
Okay.
WhatsApp group in the Logic Labs in the front end. In the Logic Labs, we are having a WhatsApp group also. Join in that WhatsApp group. So in that WhatsApp group, they will provide all the details. Okay, class details, recordings. First five classes will be free. Okay, first five
Okay.
sessions will be free. So after that, if you have then we need to register, then only we can continue with the classes. Okay, first
Okay.
five
Okay.
sessions will
Okay.
be free only. Okay, you in these five sessions we can be able to understand how many people are joined. And for 7 to 8 will be final. That is the timing only. 7 to 8, between the 7 to 8 we are having a class. Okay.
Okay. After 5 sessions, you will getting know that how many people will be joining this class,
Yeah,
right?
we
Okay.
will get to know how many people are joining. Okay, by the
Okay.
five sessions, because after the registration has been done, in the sixth session, registered people only can join the class.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So
please join
about
the
the
WhatsApp
fee
group.
structure also, we need to talk with the support team or with you
Sorry.
about the fee structure, like how, like about fees. I want to talk about the fees. Should we
Okay.
talk with the support team or you have to directly talk with you
Yeah,
about
you need
this?
to send the mail to the support team only.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And Sriveni,
Yeah.
uh, how the market will for this technical or class technical? We can get the more calls and or any
Yeah,
only
we are
experience they
having
will hire only experience or any freshers will they will hire.
for the experienced people also we are having chances, Prabhakar.
Okay.
So just we should have a knowledge, and Oracle apps, for the Oracle apps technical, we will have a lot of calls. Okay, we
Okay.
will get in the most of the companies they are using the Oracle applications. Okay, so we can get a calls. We will get a calls actually.
Okay.
So in these sessions, I'll going to cover what are the suppose when I am discussing